Hey guys, it's Hannah, if you don't already see, but it's 4th of July today, and happy birthday, America. So today, dog needs to stop. So don't listen to that annoying dog back there. It's cute and all, but that noise is... And this video involves, what's it involve? Fun and moi. Ew, 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 ew. My dad was throwing my dog's poop at me. It was in a bag, but still, ew. So anyways, this video does not have a topic because I don't know what to talk about. So let me think about what to talk about. I just felt like filming. And I want to be really cool because I want to be a cool YouTuber. Yes. Dog. Anyways, I danced in a parade today. It was really nice, except it hurt my ankle really bad and my back really bad because I was tumbling a lot. And I pulled a muscle. So, fireworks at this early in the day. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and they're already starting fireworks. It's crazy, I know. But yeah, so a ladybug. You want to see a ladybug? Come here with me and see a ladybug. It's a little ladybug. Come here, little ladybug. I'm probably scaring it. There's a little ladybug. So little. So I'm making mac and cheese and I'm gonna eat it right now. So just watch me. Yes, get the cheese. Get that cheese. Get that cheese in there. There it goes. No, I still have more. Comment down below if you want me to do... Is there an intruder in my house? No. Comment down below if you want me to do a cooking or baking video. So yeah, not the best, but I'll figure something out. Probably make banana bread. Yeah, I'll do that. Guys, don't even comment because I'm going to make banana bread for you one day. Not right now, but some. So guys, it's like an hour later and I just stopped recording. I don't know. If you can't tell, I am in a car. Not driving yet, but we're just in a garage. I'm the only one in the car right now. But we are going to Main Street to go watch fireworks because I already mentioned this, but it is 4th of July. I am going to record some down there at Main Street, playing with the basketball. Hey, but yeah, so we're gonna leave some till. Oh, I don't know how much I'm gonna record because, well, my grandma and grandpa came in town. They want to spend time with me, and I shouldn't be on my phone the whole time. So, I can record that much, but I'll record some fireworks, just update you guys on what I'm doing sometime. And yeah. Elmo movie in my hand. It's because I have a 2-year-old sister. Oh, no, that's Milo Notice. Here's Elmo. This video is so boring, like, oh my gosh. I'm so weird, and I don't care because I've been watching all these YouTube videos, and I'm inspired now to be weird because she's really funny. So, Lauren Thompson, that's not her name. It's Lauren Elizabeth. She's awesome. Go watch her videos. sure it did.
All your Blue Bubble favorites in the freezer section at your local Schnucks.
Hey, join 106.5 The Arch at the second annual Arthritis Foundation's Jingle in July run. It's presented by Gold's Gym at St. Louis.
Jehovah Jireh, my provider.
I mean, don't do that. No. Thanks. That was a slimy piece.
This is just great video.
I know.
DMPW.duck liked your photo.
That's Lauren's friend. I don't know that one.
This is pretty exciting.
Is this gonna burn me at the end? Nope, it didn't burn me. So my phone ran out of storage. Don't know how. I have barely any photos and videos on my phone. I have barely any apps. I don't know what's up, but whatever. But I didn't get to record that much during the, what's it called? Fireworks. So that sucks. There was really awesome fireworks. It was really cool in Main Street. You should go down there next time for 4th of July. I'm very distracted, as you can see. Can you guys hear the fireworks in the background? They're gonna go off all night. I just know it. Well, I clearly am in bed now. And from the parade this morning, I hurt my ankle, my hip flexor, and my lower back. So here is an example of what's going on right now. I seen my ankle, I seen my hip flexor, and, oh, you can't see, it's too dark, but I'm icing my back. Yeah, I'm in pain. Well, I'm in bed, and I'm going to bed. That's what that means. But whatever, I'm closing out this vlog, so I love you guys. Bye.